Ma'am, where are you coming from? Let's start with that.
Where's your point?
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
What?
Do you know who I am?
I don't.
Stories full of legal insight and emotion. Don't miss out. Subscribe now. What happens when a celebrity thinks their status can exempt them from the law? This Karen shows us just how far entitlement can go, right to an arrest. Stay tuned as we break down her meltdown at the airport.
We're gonna get you on there. Right here, ma'am. Right here. Yeah, we're just gonna check you out. Yeah. Just check you out in the ambulance.
You wanna walk? Alright, we'll let you walk. And then we'll...
Yeah, okay.
I'll walk. Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's keep going.
I know.
Do you need is your family in the car? Alright, let's get you in the ambulance.
I'm Officer Baxter County Police. Just let you know everything's being video and audio recorded at this point, alright? You can go
No, it's
continue.
not okay.
Well, it has to be.
Cut it off now.
I can't. You can go with them.
You can.
I'm not allowed.
I'm like this.
This way.
Right on this side. Yep. I saw you holding your side. Has anything hurt there?
I said no.
I was just going
Officers respond to a disturbance at the airport. Karen, who had been drinking, starts causing a scene. Karen refuses to provide her ID, stating, "Do you know who I am?" She continues to avoid answering the officer's questions, clearly impaired.
Okay. Ma'am, how are you? Just so you're aware, we all wear cameras, record audio and video, okay?
I don't.
Okay. I need to see her driver's license.
Okay.
Karen, okay? Hey, sir, sir, she's not free to leave.
I understand.
Okay.
No, I am. No, Ray, I am.
Get your
I
bag.
am Ray.
You get your bag here.
I'm you. And
Hold it.
he's,
Hold it, honey. Hold it.
I didn't do this. And no.
Okay. I don't know what this is.
Watch out, there's some barf on it there.
Great.
There's some throw up on it there.
Remember?
I think
You remember how to
Okay, ma'am, can you get your driver's license for us, please?
No, you cannot.
Okay,
You ready?
Karen. Okay. Let me ask you a
She's
question.
not free to leave. Okay?
I understand this.
I need to talk to her.
Okay. So
What
so
do
you're
you
saying
need to know? What do you need
Hold
to know,
on.
sir?
Let me answer his questions. And then
No, I am
no,
the
let
person
me-
that was
Karen.
driving. What-
Okay, you were the
I
person
know
that was
what
driving. I understand that, but I need your driver's license. Can you get me your driver's license, please?
No.
Okay, why?
No, because I can't find it.
What?
Let's
Is
go
it?
home, darling.
I'll look for it.
Okay.
No,
All right,
right.
ma'am,
Karen,
can you stop?
Karen.
Can you stop
You
for me,
were in an
please?
accident, baby. There's no way to get around that.
Okay.
Ray, they drove me off the road there.
Drove you. The people, somebody.
Yes.
Oh.
And
Okay.
that was not my
Where,
fault.
ma'am, where are you coming from? Let's start with that.
Where's your point?
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
Because you were in an accident and you appear to be impaired.
Well, I'm not. No, I appear, but
Okay,
I'm not.
that's right. That's
Are
why
you
I'm.
ready,
That's why I'm
honey?
asking
You
questions.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, no,
I
ma'am,
wouldn't
you're not
touch
free to
me.
leave.
Honey.
You are not free to
Yes,
leave.
you
You
are.
can't go until we answer some
You
questions.
answer the question.
I'll answer the question.
You leave
Okay,
me
then
alone.
you stay right there then.
But you-
Okay, for me.
Don't
okay?
touch me.
All right, don't
Okay.
go anywhere then.
Don't touch me.
Karen, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Listen.
You good?
I'm good.
You have it?
I'm good, but you.
You'll answer.
I will help you answer the questions. Okay.
Okay. Where is she coming from?
Okay. She was visiting a friend. I guess was it David called.
I'll let you She's
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Karen.
Montgomery County Police.
I would rather.
Remember,
I
everything's
don't
being
like
video
it.
and audio
Okay.
recorded.
I'd rather
It's
her
okay.
not do a lot of talking at this point,
Would you
anyhow,
like to do
because
that?
she's probably a little bit upset
Well, I'm
after
shook. I'm
the
shook.
thing. So she's.
Can I ask you where you're coming from
herself.
tonight? Ma'am.
She said she was coming from a friend's house.
Okay. Which way were you driving on Oakland?
Where you have it?
You had to
Were you coming from Bradley?
You have it?
I'll take a look.
Yes.
You're coming from Bradley?
Or wait. Wait, you see it? Yes. Thank you.
You were driving on Bradley or from Bradley? Do you remember the accident?
Yes.
Okay. What happened?
Actually, nothing really. Ray, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's just that somebody ran you off the road.
They did.
Someone ran you off the road? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember that vehicle at all?
No.
No, you don't? Okay.
Wait. I wouldn't listen to that.
I understand it. It's dark out here. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Let me ask you.
He's okay. He's doing
I'm looking
fine.
for my license.
No,
ma'am.
Ray,
He's
you
doing
don't
fine.
need him to do anything.
Karen, hold it.
Karen.
I'm looking for your license, baby.
How much you drink tonight?
I'll give you my license if you
No,
want.
I was out, but I'm good.
How much you had to drink though? That's my question.
The officers, frustrated by her behavior, proceed to arrest her for public intoxication and resisting arrest. She continues to protest and scream as she's taken into custody.
He's right. Bowles is working on the acres report, so it's probably on there. If not, just have him at it.
Make sure he doesn't have it already.
I think Bowles does.
Somebody have the license?
I think so.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I think Bowles, one of my.
All right, I'll
Can
check.
you answer everything
Okay,
for me
okay.
first?
Right.
Thank you, God.
No, Edward too. Karen, how much you
No,
drink
I'm
tonight?
gonna talk to my husband.
Okay, can I talk
to
with?
my husband.
Talk.
Yeah.
I can't talk to your husband. He's not really involved in
Okay.
this incident.
Right.
He can help me translate or get
No,
you to cooperate.
He is.
Okay.
He is. You're okay.
How much you drink tonight? How much?
Ray, are you good?
I'm good. I'm just saying, you know, they're assuming that you had more than you should have.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming that you had like a couple of beers or something
Yes,
like
that's
that.
all I had.
But,
Okay.
you know,
You had a couple of beers.
So, that's it.
that's my assumption.
Okay.
I don't know
What-
for sure. I wasn't with her.
Okay.
But
That's why I'm trying to
what
communicate with her.
Yeah.
What kind of beer did you drink?
Ray, were we good, sweetheart?
Yeah. I don't see your license here.
I think one of my-
somebody got him.
Yeah, I
somebody
think my
got
coworker has it.
because the bag
Alright.
was right there.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
But
So,
we needed to write an accident report.
Okay.
it's okay.
So-
So, Ray, darling, what
Yes.
did you say?
I'm saying that you probably had a couple of beers
Yes,
and you were coming back.
Yeah.
And you said that you got run off the road.
I
And
did.
guess did you hit the tree here or something?
It looks like she hit the center median, came across the median,
I
and then
did.
yeah, hit this tree as well,
Okay, 'cause
or
it's
one of the
dark.
Yeah.
Or it hit the median. It hit the tree.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ray, can you pick my purse up,
It
though?
doesn't take much.
No, it does not. Sweetheart, can you speak to me, please?
Okay.
Hey, your car's on fire. Your car's on fire. Get away from your car.
My car?
Still smoking?
No, it's on fire. All right. So, do you remember what kind of beer you had?
No, it's not intoxication. It's beer. So,
Okay, but
where's
I got
the car?
an investigation. I got to conduct.
Yes,
I
yes,
understand
yes,
that.
some
Go
questions.
ahead, Ray.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
what kind of beer did you drink? Was it the
Stella.
Stella. Okay. Where at?
I think I sent it on my phone to my husband. I always do.
Your location or where
Yeah.
you were? I don't.
Wait,
Yeah.
my car's
No, don't, it's on fire. But don't go.
Karen,
Your car is on fire. You're not going over there.
still good.
get what?
Let the firefighters
We're gonna put it out.
Let the
That works.
firefighters, and we'll get you whatever you need. Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm guessing that's your cell phone ringing.
Is that the phone?
Probably. It's on the passenger floor, but don't go over there right
Oh,
now.
okay.
All right.
What's your point?
My
Okay.
point is,
No,
I have
no.
an investigation to do as a police officer. Okay.
respect
Karen,
that.
yeah, let them do this investigation. You had an accident. You know, just thank God you're not hurt bad or anything like that.
Can I
And
conduct
we
some
got-
field sobriety on you, ma'am?
And we'll make the
No,
best
sir.
of it.
No.
You cannot.
All right.
Yeah.
Are we good?
I think we could be good. We had an accident. You know, you probably did have a couple of beers. You didn't see the median.
No, I didn't
And-
drive the car either. And
Oh,
for them
I-
to drive hop out was
Huh?
incredible. The security you hired for me, but
so
my husband.
was he?
No.
Was he here?
I will talk to my husband.
You can talk to him, but you're not going anywhere.
I know what you will not do is
All
tell
right.
me what I can't do.
I want to place your
Karen,
order.
don't, please, don't.
Are you doing that?
Yep.
Please.
Why?
The officers, frustrated by her behavior, proceed to arrest her for public intoxication and resisting arrest. She continues to protest and scream as she's taken into custody.
Because
Well, because you're intoxicated.
Oh my God.
Carry tissues in my police car. But there will be.
God is
I will
good.
get you tissues
No,
at the station.
I don't need it. I'm not going to be there very long, but I thank you for tonight. This has been good for my marriage, though.
Okay.
Do you know my husband?
I do not know your husband. I only
No, my husband has never stood up.
What?
I'm married 28 years. I think
Very
he
nice.
got. Oh, this is the most stunning thing I've ever done. I hear him. I should have probably taken a cab.
You probably should have taken a cab, yes.
Everyone thinks I'm the greatest person in the world. So I can do this. Do you know who I am?
I do not.
You do? been married to him for
28 years.
yeah. I love him. I'm surprised he showed up.
Well, I mean, that's a good husband to show up when your wife's has
No,
got
I
to in a few seconds, ma'am.
I am irritated.
Okay.
Are they gonna lock me in a cell? This
No.
will freak my head
Yeah,
out.
you'll be alright.
Oh, I hope not. It's quiet. It's quiet. You know I hate you, right?
That's okay.
Can I get? Oh, wait. You know I hate you, right?
That's okay.
Oh, wait. Can you take this off?
I can't take the handcuffs off. We got to go inside.
Everybody's gonna hate you, by the way.
What?
Do you know who I am?
I don't.
No.
You've told me your name is Karen.
No.
Let me help you up.
No, I did not. Oh God.
That's what I
I'm
thought.
lit.
Yes, you are lit.
Oh, can you?
That's why you're here.
No, not really, darling.
It is. Hold on, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I don't want you to fall like you just did.
Can you hear me? I just saw the car.
I know, because you're drunk. Let's go this way, ma'am.
You know who I am?
Do I know who you are? No. You've asked me to watch the step. Thank you.
And I'm walking up the street. He has a timer on.
Yep.
He's good. And I'll walk up the stairs. And I'm out there.
Careful.
Just having a moment.
Careful.
We're good.
Okay. All right, just stand right here for a second. What's that? Come inside.
Alex, what?
Karen.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Karen Huger, a wealthy celebrity and reality TV star, is known for her entitlement and high status. She is married to Raymond Huger, a millionaire CEO. Despite her success, Karen seems to believe her wealth and celebrity status can protect her from the law, which she learned the hard way on this night.
So we can get you home. My computer's going to read you this form, all right, from top to
I
bottom.
want my husband here.
Well, that's
Or
not.
my attorney.
Advice of Rights, Maryland Transportation, Article 16-205.1.
Okay. Just follow. Listen along.
Or detained and reasonable grounds exist to believe that you have been driving or attempting
It's my Stop that. Stop that.
This is the advice of rights pertaining to driving.
No, what I am is intelligent and probably black. So, you want to tell me what you're doing?
I placed you under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol tonight, okay?
No,
This
you
form
did not.
Here, I did. That's why you're in
You
handcuffs.
attempted to, but
Okay,
next.
That's why you're in handcuffs, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Well, I will be in handcuffs forever. I'm extremely
You won't be in handcuffs forever. Just a little bit longer. My
I
computer's-
actually will not agree to anything
I
you
don't.
say.
I just need you to follow along right now, okay? I'll do my paperwork. You can follow along. My computer's going to read you this form from top to bottom. All right. After it's done, we'll discuss anything else, okay?
No.
All I need you to do is follow along.
Why don't we just skip to the end?
I can't skip it, unfortunately, okay?
Advice of
Don't
Rights,
give my
Maryland
mind.
Transportation, Article 16-205.1. You have been stopped or detained and reasonable grounds exist to believe that you have been driving or attempting to drive another vehicle under circumstances requiring that you be asked to submit to a test under Maryland Transportation, Article 16-205.1.
It's not yours.
In this situation,
It's
the law
not.
means
Right,
that you
extremely
are
right.
subject
I
to
know you know.
concentration or drug or
Well, you're
controlled
a good
dangerous
person.
substance content in your system.
All right, let's. Would you?
Follow along.
That's me.
Suspension of your Maryland driver's license or driving privilege.
Can you quiet that?
No, it's reading you the form that's in front of
I do. No, that's such a fucking poor white will just let that shit go by. Do you want to listen?
For 45 days.
I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. I will rise up. I am who I am. So we want to ask you. Can Can we? I don't give a fuck. Do you run that by people?
I'm not
Do
asking
you run that by people?
Karen, I'm not
No,
asking
I'm
you.
really rich, and I will
I
stay in
don't-
jail for a year or two. Because you just run that by
What?
poor white, black, green people. You run that by people?
It has nothing to do with any of that.
Yeah, it does. It has everything. So
it
what's
actually
your
has
point?
zero to do with that. I don't
So,
get to make
I'm
how
sorry.
this happens.
Alright, it's not you. I'm sorry.
Alright.
I'm extremely
Computer's gonna
intelligent.
read you.
I am Thomas Jefferson's concubine.
The computer's
and
gonna continue reading that
half
form.
of the
All I
nature.
need you
Your
to do
point
is
is
listen.
what? No, what you need to do is tell me what you want.
All I need you to do is listen. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
If your test result is an
Could you not play that? That irritates me.
less than 0.15, your suspension shall be 180 days.
I'm not reading it. It's not in my face. I look like a big twat. Can I see it? Can I see it? Turn it to me. Can I see it?
It's literally.
Thank you. No, I mean, I just had, I wanted to record it that I just had my cataracts replaced. I am 60 years old, and I'm 55. So what is your want?
Suspension shall be 180 days for a first offense and 200.
Can you stop with all
Play
that?
that.
You can, but I can't hear it, and I say that.
Stop talking, you could hear it.
Can you hear me? No, I wouldn't speak to me that way, sir. Thank you very much. But I say to this recording, I cannot hear it, sir. So thank you.
I can
And
turn it up and start it over.
Modification of your suspension or the issuance of a restricted license.
do you want to tell me what it's saying?
It's saying everything that's on this form.
Oh,
Listen
that's
to
called
me,
reading,
guys.
and I have an attorney. So I need a moment for an attorney.
Do you know which attorney you want to talk to?
Yes. Can I get my phone back?
I don't have your phone.
I have
Your
several
husband.
attorneys.
Huh?
Can
Do you know the name? I can Google it and get you a contact number.
I get my phone back?
I don't have your phone. Your husband has it.
I know.
So I cannot give you your phone because your husband has
I
it.
have attorneys, and can I get my phone back?
I do not have your phone.
Well, so I don't have an answer for you yet.
Okay.
But I will report that accordingly. I think it's important.
Okay.
In your point,
Do you know your attorney's name?
I did.
What's your attorney's name?
I have several attorneys. I have 3.
Can you name
I don't know which one is the point, so.
Give us a name.
Why don't you tell me?
I don't know who your attorney is.
Thank you. So are we okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Thank you.
Do you want me to play the form again?
No, I'm really good.
Oh, I have to at least get you through it once.
Oh, you did, sweetheart.
No, we started it over because you said it wasn't loud
Alright, you
enough.
can
All right.
start it again.
Rights, Maryland Transportation, Article 16-205.1.
You do this to dumb people, and they agree. This is how you do it.
Certification, I, the undersigned police officer, certify under the penalties of perjury that I have advised the driver of the above stated rights and sanctions and have provided the driver with the aforementioned advice in English and Spanish. Read before signing, I, the undersigned driver, acknowledge that I have been read or I have read the above stated advice of rights as certified by the police
I have
officer.
no idea what she's saying.
I understand that this requested test is in addition to any preliminary tests that were taken.
So since
Having been so
good.
advised, do you now agree to submit to a test? Officer check driver's reply.
Great place.
Yes. Agree to submit to an alcohol concentration test? Yes. Agree to submit to a test for drug or controlled dangerous substance CDS? No. Alcohol concentration test? Refuse no. Drug or CDS test? Refuse DRE must complete and submit DRE certification form.
Shit. Of the vehicle.
All right, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Yeah?
How are you speaking to him?
No, in my mind.
Okay.
Well, I'm rehearsing.
So the form has been completed on the audio, and I know you really didn't.
No, I'm not. I'm not
Do you have any questions?
No, I'm not
All
sorry.
right, do you want to take an alcohol concentration test by giving the rest?
No, I do not. Can you hear me? So when I say no, I cannot. I hear being very brave. What does that mean? And don't intimidate me.
What do you mean? What does it mean? Do you want to sign this form saying you refuse to submit to an alcohol concentration test?
Tell me what that means.
That you're not going to provide a sample of your breath.
And then how long do I have to stay?
Stay? We're probably talking about another 25, 30 minutes.
I don't.
Sign that.
Here?
Yeah, right here. Right there. That's fine. Yeah. Alright.
Let me go.
In like 25 minutes.
I'm irritated. I'm extremely intelligent. Okay. I'm irritated. What part? I'm in Potomac?
What?
I'm in Potomac.
This incident is a classic example of how entitlement can cloud one's judgment and lead to dangerous consequences. Karen, despite her celebrity status, failed to recognize that the law applies to everyone, regardless of their wealth or fame. Her refusal to cooperate with the police, combined with her erratic behavior, only made things worse. If she had taken a more responsible approach, perhaps an Uber ride could have spared everyone involved the distress and consequences of the arrest. Next case. In this wild encounter, we see an entitled Karen who not only refuses to cooperate with the police, but escalates a simple traffic stop into a full-blown situation, ending with her arrest. Let's dive into the breakdown of the drama that ensues and see just how badly she handled this.
Hello, I'm Deputy Patterson, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop is your vehicle showing that it expired in 2020, and I'm running the tag. Do you have the registration and insurance?
No, I'm homeless and I only recently got proof of address from the Homeless Coalition.
Okay.
In Texas, they passed a law during the pandemic, so it didn't have to be renewed until 2023. And then they passed another one that said you got 8 more months to do it. So
I'm not aware of
and
that.
it was in storage for a long time
Okay,
as well.
so you don't have any registration? Do you have insurance on the car?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. And the valid driver's license, as far as you know, to your knowledge?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a few minutes, okay? It's Alicia, correct?
Yeah, on that 45 on Ambler.
Listen, being a registered motor vehicle, and it's been for years, plus not being uninsured, I have to have the vehicle towed. I'm not, listen, you chose to drive it out on the roadway, not me, okay?
I have no other choice.
Okay.
I'm like
Okay,
a week
well,
or two away from getting it. I've never registered my car before. This is the first car I own. And I only recently nowhere else to go. I sleep in my car.
have you tried the Homeless Coalition?
Don't have it. They have a 4-year waiting list.
A 4-year waiting list. I mean,
Oh God.
I'm not taking you to jail tonight, but I am going to have, you know, like I said, I have a tow truck coming, so I don't know what you...
P22.
P22.
The A1 30
Copy, thank you.
That's who's asking.
So I'm just going to need you to start working on gathering what you're going to get, okay? And I'll work on paperwork. 222 Central.
222.
When available, can I have another unit en route to me, please? Listen, I'm not taking you to jail, but if you continue to act like this, you're going to, okay?
You'll be in route to 41 Hancock.
I mean, at least I would be sleeping indoors.
I can't hear you, I'm sorry, over the traffic. What? If you want to gather anything from your vehicle, I suggest you do it now, because when they get here, they're not going to wait for you to do that.
Karen refuses to release the bar, and the officer moves in to arrest her. She continues to struggle and scream, making things even worse for herself. At this point, the situation is far from a simple request to leave. It's turned into a full-on confrontation.
She's now doing this. She at first wouldn't even roll down the window, but I told her, I'm like, I'm going to take you to jail if you continue to act like this.
Yeah, we'll get her. Huh? To her, right? Hey, we're gonna break the window if you don't get out. Get out. Hey, stop reaching. Stop. Get out. Grab your stuff. Get out. Let's go. Open the door. Ma'am, gonna give you another warning. You're gonna go to jail if you don't open the door. So let's do that. Go ahead. Stop reaching. Open the door. Open the door. Step out.
We're not getting it.
Yeah,
We're done.
not doing
We're
that.
done.
Let's go. Come on. All right, get out.
In the hospital.
Get out.
I need my
Get
meds.
You can have my meds.
Stop reaching for stuff. Okay.
Now.
Yeah, you're going to jail now.
Yeah, we're done.
I'll get up in just a second. I've been struggling.
Stop.
Traffic.
And I just get out. Get.
Can you just give me like 3 seconds
No.
to stand up?
Stop.
Seriously?
Get out. Get out. You're going to jail. Here's behind your back.
You guys are children. You're literally.
All right, you're going to jail. You're under arrest.
220 Central, 1 detainee, clear traffic.
Stop. You're gonna want to take this knife since you're throwing a fit. I want to surprise you.
All right, let's get her. All right, let's sit down, okay? Up, 1,
I just need a
2,
minute.
3. Push your card.
Thank you, sir.
All right, search.
Because you couldn't let me cry for 5 minutes.
No.
We don't reach for shit.
You children. Oh, you. Don't undo my bra. That's weird. You're really weird. You ever wonder why no one says the fire department?
What's that?
You ever wonder why no one says
Still talking. Stop kicking.
I didn't kick.
Okay, don't even try.
Looking
No.
over at her, so face the damn car.
What?
You keep looking over at her like you're gonna spit in her face. So how
No.
about you stop face the car?
She pulled my leg up and then said I kicked her because she pulled my leg.
Good.
It's weird.
All right, have a seat.
Seriously?
Have a seat.
Can you cuff these in the front?
No. No. Not happening.
Could Karen's failure to register her car be due to poverty, or is she just exploiting her situation? Is she truly homeless, or does her behavior stem from a sense of entitlement? While poverty is real, can it explain her defiance, or is she avoiding responsibility? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think entitlement played a role in this situation?
And what's your name?
Thank you guys. Yeah, I can try to do that. Thank you.
you.
Appreciate it, yo. You good? You injured? Nah, okay. Sebastian, you good? Yeah. Good? Thank you.
Next case.
This is our lady right here? Yes. Alright. She will not leave.
I got you.
This Karen at the airport certainly knows how to make a scene. After being asked to leave the jet bridge, she decides to refuse and escalate things with the police. Let's break down what happened during this dramatic confrontation.
What happened?
She said they are hitting.
She tried, but enough. Alright, you have to leave now. You have to leave the jet bridge. You have to leave.
What is that?
You get arrested. You want to get arrested? You don't mind? Alright, come on. You gotta go.
4-5, you do the check now.
Wait, why? No, this guy behind me.
Ma'am,
This guy behind me.
we're not doing this.
It's.
You're drunk. You gotta get off the jet bridge. Come.
I'm not.
You are very drunk. You have to get off the jet bridge. Come.
How come you say it?
Come. Come.
How come?
Come. This way. Ma'am.
How come you say it?
Ma'am, you have to leave now.
Okay. How
Let
come
go of
you
this.
say it?
What?
How come you say that I'm drunk?
You're drunk. Let go of this and you have to leave. Ma'am. Come on. You gotta go. Ma'am. No. There's not one moment. You gotta go. Alright. Ma'am, if you don't leave right now, you're gonna get arrested for trespassing.
Enjoy.
Ma'am, alright.
I tried so many
No.
times. Yes,
Yeah?
I did. I tried.
You
kept
did
putting
it.
your finger in my mouth, in my
Ma'am,
face.
put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, let go of this bar and put your hands behind your back. Ma'am, let go of the bar and put your hands behind your back. She just wouldn't leave the jet bridge, was holding on, disorderly intoxicated and trespass. He's gonna do a statement for us. Just disorderly intoxicated and trespass. I told her she had to leave. Yep. She grabbed the bar, she wouldn't let go. Okay. She doesn't want to go.
Oh no.
Yep.
Okay, come on.
You gonna walk, ma'am?
Yeah. Whatever you do, just.
Yeah.
I could bring one.
I haven't tossed her or anything yet.
Yeah, I'll do it when we get over there.
You need to go to the car and the transport?
Sure, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll write it up.
Whatever you guys need.
I don't have a car, but I could go with whoever is
He's going to get in a wheelchair. I don't need the wheelchair. Just don't.
Yeah. No, I'm cool.
Just don't.
Like I said, she's just there. She didn't want to. You want to sit down? Sit down. Put your feet out.
No.
Put your feet out.
Put your feet out.
Put your feet out.
No.
Ma'am, I'm going to charge you with. I'm
Are
going to charge
you
you.
listening
I'm
to
going to
me?
charge you with resisting. All right.
Just.
I told you to put your hands behind your back too on the jet bridge. You didn't want to listen. Here, put your feet out. Sit down and put your feet out.
Look. How much time? Oh, no much.
Yeah. They're not that tight. What? Yeah. Sit up. Yeah. Put her feet out. Yeah. Thanks. Yes. There you go. Someone has to throw herself out of it. All right, ma'am. Yeah.
No, it's not okay.
Well, you did this to yourself, ma'am.
Get this, please. Please, get this. No, please.
I asked you to leave, ma'am. They asked you to leave.
I wanted to leave too.
Yeah, well, you didn't listen.
Yeah. Listen to who?
Me
Yeah.
or the flight crew.
Who's the manager? Who's listening to you?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
now you're going to jail, ma'am.
Please.
Ooh, just watch out, the corporal.
Please.
Good.
You get a alarm on the door, Charlie. I'm in here.
Put it on
I'm
my...
gonna charge her 2 with resisting without violence. She put her hands behind her back, and she tensed up, and she was like holding onto the jet bridge bar.
Put it on my lips.
What happened? No, I haven't got anything in.
Yeah. Of course.
Yes. I can tell. I can tell. Your ID's in here, ma'am, or is it on you?
No. Can you please do it?
Where's your ID, ma'am? Identification.
Unless you're gonna open my...
Oh, I am gonna open it. So I'm just trying to find out where it is to make my life a little easier. Okay.
Whose car is out there? Is that yours?
Yeah, mine is out there.
You have keys and everything?
I do. My camera's not working though. My
Can you just
Well, we
take
can
it
consider it if you want.
Yeah.
Control 150.
Right there.
I'm 1015 here. Trespass, and she's drunk and disorderly, and I have an Illinois ID card.
Get my bag.
10 more. We trespass and 1015 are in. Go ahead, Illinois. 10 more. Stay left.
Yeah, the guy in the jet bridge, she said, I guess she swung at him too.
I'm gonna go with
Let's set her
Karen
up.
since it's a female. I just don't have a car.
They denied her boarding and she just wouldn't leave. Yeah. Like I said, I got there. I'm like, you gotta go. And she literally held onto the bar and wouldn't let go.
Okay. 190 control.
150. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Hold on.
10 more. You go to the primary principal.
Yes.
All right, Mrs. Sandil, you just stand up.
No.
Yeah, you gotta stand up.
As long as you want
Ma'am, you have to help us. I'm
We're
already
just trying
gonna...
to get you in the car, man. We gotta check you, okay? All right, just put your feet down. She's got to check you, okay? Here, put your feet down. There you go. What's hurting? What's hurt?
No, just take it
We're not taking it off. That's not happening.
Relax, we're just trying to help you, okay?
Should I kick you?
Yeah, you kick her, you're gonna be in a whole lot more trouble.
Yeah.
Step on her foot. You're not kicking anybody.
Whoa.
You're getting charged with resisting as well for the way you're acting. Ma'am.
Don't do it, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All right, you're gonna get charged with battery in a second. Okay.
You're gonna get charged with battering a police officer. You understand what I'm saying? Stop.
No, he's not gonna do it. Shit. Just take it off.
If you stop struggling, ma'am, it would be a lot less more painful. Just relax.
Hold on, 50 control.
You got it?
150.
10 4. I got there.
I'm about to put you in the car. Do it again, you're gonna get charged again. Got it? Get those handcuffs on her, pat her down, let's get her in the car.
Illinois is suspended December 22.
I pat her down real quick.
Probably that ankle stuff is probably no good, no? Right? They're not going to take that at booking.
No.
Well, we'll let them know over there. They'll have to just take it all off because I'm not going to worry about it. She's all good.
No,
I already did her
you got her in? You good? Okay. Yeah, get her in.
All right, come on. Let's go.
I can't.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, you're getting charged with... Like I said, this is how she was from the beginning.
Get her feet up there.
Yeah.
Get up, come on. You gotta help me.
Come on.
Come on, just slide over. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, I just have no.
There you go. Slide on. There you go. Good. There you go. I didn't.
Yep, I'm good.
There you go. Yeah, we'll run her out while he's doing his CRA.
Yeah.
What's your phone? There you go.
Karen appears to be a middle-aged woman who is intoxicated and in a state of denial. She refuses to accept the reality of her situation, continuously arguing with the officers. Her behavior is a textbook example of how someone can turn a simple request into a chaotic mess due to entitlement and alcohol.
I'm Officer Cordova with the Albuquerque Police. Are you okay?
No.
What happened?
Well, nothing more entertaining than watching a woman claim to be a celebrity right at the airport, especially when her precious $3,000 ring disappears in some random bathroom. And then a full-blown tantrum erupts, not because of any real loss, but because of a ring.
What bathroom do you think you left it in?
The second floor, and they told me to go look myself. I'm suing the fuck out of these people. That ring cost $3,000.
Well, I'm sorry that happened.
Well, they don't care.
Yeah, I'm sorry about
Well,
that.
listen, this is the ring. It's pink. It's $3,000 in the second floor bathroom.
Okay.
I want to know right now if somebody turned it in. My lawyer will be over here in a minute. They're not going to treat me like this.
We'll
They've
check.
already called the police on me once. F these people.
Okay.
I want my ring now.
Well,
Tell him what I said because I'm not talking to anybody until I call my fiance.
okay.
This is the ring. $3,000 was left in the bathroom 10 minutes ago. Now it's gone. Somebody better get my ring right now. And
Well-
there's going to be ads rolling.
Well, ma'am, you gotta cooperate
No.
with us.
They told me to get in the back of the line. Told me to go look for
Well,
it.
we're
My
not.
flight's leaving.
We're
I
not
missed-
with them. We're the
Okay,
police.
but my flight is leaving, and I don't have time to look for my ring. I can't miss another flight
Yeah.
today. I need to get to New York.
Yeah.
I
Well,
want my fucking ring now. I
well,
know
we didn't take your ring,
No,
so.
but somebody did, and they won't even report it or anything or check it.
Well, that's why we're here.
Well, then tell them to do it.
Well,
I
they-
hate this town. This never happens except Albuquerque. I got sick here. I think I got COVID. None of the other places ever give me a problem except Southwest Albuquerque.
1823. Passenger's 39 over a missing ring that she left in the restroom. Anybody turned in a missing ring?
Now.
Let's go look for it.
Because my flight is leaving.
There's no rings turned into us.
It's not. Those fucking son of a bitches need to go report it.
10-4. She's upset because she's unable to get to her flight in time and find her ring at the same time.
Don't talk to me like that. I don't care who you are.
Why don't you go through?
Because I want my ring.
So you just told me you want your ring.
I want both.
Oh, you only gonna get one?
I know police in this town, and you're both a bunch of shady motherfuckers. You know Rodney Locke that killed somebody? I dated him. You're all shady. Don't you dare. I got a lawyer, and you'll all be sued. You are not treating me that way.
1823.
That's wonderful.
Good. You want to be a little cop? Let's play that jail because we did for you. You'll get bumped.
Can you have custodial take a look in the women's restroom? I believe it's on the Great Hall floor or at the checkpoint women's restroom. Can you have them check to see if that ring was left behind?
How dare you? I want my ring. What don't you understand? I'm not leaving my ring. I'm not. Don't you understand? Why is he?
I don't know. Let me. I'm trying to help you. Okay.
I need my ring.
I have 2 custodians that are gonna go look in the restroom.
It wasn't there. I already did on the way
Did you
here.
look already?
Somebody took it.
Which restroom was it?
Second floor. There's nothing that works in this damn airport. I haven't been here in 2 years. The second floor bathroom.
Can you do me a favor? Be calm so we could help you.
No, because I've missed 5 flights. I missed my lawyer's meeting. I didn't get to see my kids. I have a job, and now this.
Yeah, I'm
I've
so
been
sorry.
traveling for 3 weeks. I'm done. I just want to go home with my ring.
And I'm so sorry that you lost it.
Well, nobody else cares. This asshole here is telling me to go look for it, missed my flight. And who the f*** he thinks he is? He's just a little cop. And I have respect for police, but not assholes like him. I know all the cops in this town.
What time is your flight at?
3. I don't even know what time it is. My phone's dead.
Do we have any idea which bathroom?
Second floor. And I don't want to talk to him too. Better get the f*** out on my face now, because you're being sued.
You don't get to choose the police officer.
He'll be sued. I have a lawyer.
Would you like to talk to me?
No, I want to talk to him. No, but he's the only one that's being nice. I want my ring found now. I'm sick as a dog.
Talk over me if you want.
I don't want to talk to you. I'm talking to you. Get away from me. I know my rights. Would you please help somebody? Don't talk to me. I'm dealing with him.
Good luck, officer.
You're not. He's nice to me. I'm not being treated this way. You're just a cop. You're not above the law. You're the reason why people hate cops. The cops in this town. You get away from me, and I'll calm down. I'm asking him to get away from me.
He's looking bothered.
No, I don't want him looking at me. I want him away from me. And that flight better wait for me. I got to get out of here.
We don't have no control over
I
that.
know. If I just stay another day, I'm going to sue for more damages. I'll go find my ring. I'll miss my flight. You motherfucker. You're going to be sorry, piece of shit. I found my ring.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
And
And then they wouldn't let me go because I was still yelling. I told them to get out of my way. I'm going down there.
I have her
Another
phone
lawsuit.
for other stuff.
I think you left your phone behind.
I didn't. I can't get it. I can't go back up there.
We'll get it. Can I get it for you?
Yes, please.
Can you just chill so I can help
I'm
you?
going over the desk. You don't
Okay.
understand. I missed 6 flights in 5 days.
1823 people. Ma'am, Southwest is up here.
Instead of calmly reporting it to airport staff, she decides to start shouting and threatening to sue everyone who won't do things her way. When she's asked to go look for her ring while missing her flights, well, the inevitable happens. The police get involved, not as VIP guests, but to resolve the situation.
Please listen to me, okay?
I'm only listening to you.
Please,
not that way.
but I'm asking you.
I just need my phone. I can't
Okay,
go
but please listen to me, okay?
You don't understand how they treated me.
Okay. But can you
I
please?
wasn't lying, see?
Yeah, I know you found it.
I
I'm happy for
that
you. I'm
here.
happy about
He
that.
said you got a choice, get your ring or get the plane. I missed my plane. That
Okay.
motherfucker will be sorry.
What's your name, ma'am?
Cindy,
Cindy. My name's Martin.
I have to go sit outside.
Okay, but let me.
I need
Please,
my
can I give you my side of it,
My
please?
boyfriend is fighting with me. I have to get out of here, please.
Please listen to me, okay, Cindy? Can you hear what I'm gonna say?
I hear you. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not nuts like they.
No, I didn't
think.
say you were, and I don't think you are. I'm glad you got your ring, so that proves right there that you
I'm a
didn't lose it.
professional. I fly every day. I got more money than this whole airport.
Cindy,
I had fun with
can you do me a huge favor?
Yeah, I'm just fighting with my family, my kids, my husband. I can't do it.
Okay, Cindy. I'm doing everything I can to
I
work
just
with
want my
you,
phone,
okay?
sir. I just want to call
Let's
my
get your
family.
stuff. Let's go back. Let's get your
No,
phone.
I'm going out there for a minute.
Let's get your
No,
phone.
I need to smoke. I'm stressed.
Listen, Cindy,
I need my
you can't
medication.
go out there. We got to go back to
Why
the
can't
checkpoint,
I go out?
okay?
I'm not going up there.
You have to.
No, I don't want to.
Let me tell you why. And I'm asking.
I don't want to look at them. I'm afraid I'll lose my temper. I'm not going
Cindy,
to jail.
Cindy, listen to me.
I'm not like that. I'm
Cindy,
a
listen
citizen.
to me. I'm trying to do this.
I don't
right.
want to go up there. The third time they made me upset. I'm not going up
Cindy,
there.
listen to me.
I'm going to sit
Stop
down.
and talk to me,
I need
okay?
to sit down, sir.
You've
I
got-
had heat stroke. I've been out in the heat for 3 days because I couldn't get a rental car. I'm not going to.
Cindy, I'm doing everything I can to work with you. Can I explain to you my side of it?
Yeah, but I'm not going up there right now.
Can I explain to you my side
You
of it?
can, but I'm not going
But
up
please
there.
listen to me.
Sir, I have never been so humiliated in my fucking life, and I'm not.
They don't need her back up there, or do they? Okay.
I'm not going to get my phone.
Can I explain it to you,
These
Cindy,
motherfuckers
please?
will be sorry. I'll shut this goddamn airport down. No, I'm going outside. If you can't get me my phone, then I'll tell
Well,
them.
that's what I'm trying to do.
No, I got friends here. I'll have my phone.
Okay.
Report my phone stolen. I'm not kidding. I got a lawyer. I'm suing the fuck out of this place. I think he's lost my phone.
Really? Oh, your phone
He
died?
can't call me. Yeah.
What did he say last?
He said he'd be on his way. I told you he has mental problems.
Oh,
I'm
geez.
fine here. I'm not hurting anyone.
No, I didn't say you were, but
My phone died. I can't.
it won't even charge, or is it
I
charging?
don't know. I've been sitting here since 5:45.
Yeah, I know.
I've had a long day.
I hear you.
And he's a friend of mine, but like he almost died. He's mentally challenged. Probably lost. He's probably over the car rental place. Which case I'm just.
I heard him mention the car rental facility
That's
when
where
you
he
were
is.
first talking to him,
I don't
but
care. I'll have one of my kids get me, and I'll go to a motel and chill.
what did you find out about your flight? Are you doing anything with that, or did you just change your mind altogether?
Well, I'm not using Southwest.
You're not?
My lawyers tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay.
But they owe me like $2,000, and they can't give it to me for 30 days. Bunch
Right.
of shit. They want my money while I buy my ticket, but I gotta wait a month to get it back.
Okay. Well, let me
Let's see if anybody. He's a very nice guy, but he's kind of, you know.
So let me tell you this, Cynthia. I had to go talk to TSA and talk to all the powers that be at the airport because, like I told you, you got a lot of people upset when you.
And they upset me.
I know you're upset, but you did get a lot of people upset up there.
About what?
Because you were
they wouldn't let me
cussing.
look for my ring and because they tore my dress.
We talked about that. You know where I stand on it.
Well,
Okay.
they don't care, do they?
Well,
They're more concerned with my attitude than the fact that they screwed me over 5 times. I didn't care about my ring and tore my dress.
Right.
That's more important than me mouthing off.
No, I didn't say that was more important,
Well,
but I'm
they
just
think
telling
it
you
is.
that that's what happened.
Tell you what.
So let
you
me.
don't treat somebody who's been a member of Southwest for 22 years like that
Right.
and tell me, oh well, act like that.
So they want me to issue you this. This is a criminal trespass citation, okay?
Okay.
It's just basically.
Just let me have it.
But I gotta still
I know
add.
how to read, sir.
I still gotta add a number to it. But it's just basically saying that if you don't have a flight, we don't want you hanging out. If you do
I do have a
flight.
flight.
But I mean, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't ever come here. I hate this
No,
place.
I know,
I've been
I know.
here once in the last
But I'm gonna
5
give you a
years.
copy of it. I'll have you
I
sign
am
it,
not
okay?
a resident of Albuquerque.
Right.
I came here to do business.
I hear you.
We have
1823.
Hey, doing good.
At the airport waiting. Where are you? Are you at the car rental place? What level are you at? I can't talk. I'm losing my voice. I'm sick. Is there a red truck out there? What kind of truck do you have?
Is there a red truck out there, Brandon?
What kind? 250 gas Ford? Okay.
He's checking. He's checking it. Well, I'm gonna give you this in the meantime. Can I get your signature there? And I
Not
signed
till
it.
I read it.
Yeah, you can read it. Here.
I'm not signing away anything that I.
You don't have to. You don't even have to sign it. Just.
I don't see red truck arrivals. I'll check the
No, I'm not signing that.
Okay. Let me give you a copy of it. Okay.
Okay, I'll check with my lawyer.
Okay.
tomorrow.
right with you, sign.
I did.
Was that is that your fiance or what?
Huh?
Was that your fiance or?
Not anymore.
But that's who he was arguing with you.
He said I was causing all this trouble. He was having dinner with his son. I should have been here by now. He could go to hell. He's not my fiance. I told him I was done with him.
You met him in high school, you said?
Yeah, and then I saw him 47 years later, and he asked me to marry him.
Wow.
Well, I'm not.
Well, he never
married.
forgot about you. Don't sound like.
Yeah, but he's a drunk, and every time he gets drunk, he abuses me verbally and then doesn't apologize. I've given him 8 months. I'm not being with a drunk.
You shouldn't have to put up with
I have
that.
self-respect. Because I almost got arrested at the airport. Don't ask me any more questions, Billy. We are done. Mike's mad at me. He hung up on me.
I'm not getting negative. I know it's probably somebody else in there for what's crossing.
10-4. And she's still down here waiting for a ride. I'm not sure where he's at. It's supposed to be like in an old Ford. If you see anybody, just advise. I guess that person that was upstairs wasn't him. Because we got a hold of him and he said he was here.
told me he was second level number 5. He's not here.
Okay.
I don't need some little girl telling me what to do either, okay? I got kids older than her. I know she doesn't know me, but she doesn't realize how this department is. She's not gonna tell me that they're nice guys, but I know goddamn well how dirty they are. A man murdered a woman in a wheelchair and about going to jail for a year, and they weren't gonna even do anything until her family. I am tired of this shit. And if that's another person, I don't want to fight with him either. I got 2 guys here.
I can't control who comes and talks to you.
No, but I rather like it. No, I'm not having guys picking me up that know I'm sick. They're not getting anything of me. I am not like kind of old. Welcome to Albuquerque.
I don't know why you're having a problem with them. I told them to stay back.
Who is your boss, that girl?
Both of them.
Hell, what is she, 20?
They're both my bosses.
Well, she doesn't. She just told me she was new.
And she's not new. She's in charge of me, so.
Well, she doesn't have. Following me around, harassing me. My son got arrested here last week, and they also tacked on charges on him that he didn't do. I know how this time operates.
They want me to arrest you, and I don't want to do that.
I didn't do anything.
Well, that's what they're asking me to do.
Well, my attorney's on his way.
Well, I have to follow orders.
No,
and I don't want to put you in
I don't
handcuffs.
deserve to be arrested. I am sick.
If you're willing to get in the car with them, could I convince them that it's okay?
With who?
With your buddy that's here?
No, I tell him to, that's not my friend.
He's right outside.
I called him 2 hours ago.
Okay.
I'm not riding with him.
But the only other thing that they're ordering me to do is to take you to jail now. And I don't want to do that.
And tell my boyfriend what's going on because I can't talk. Here.
Don't you?
That's my boyfriend. Tell him.
What do you want me to tell him?
What's going on? Tell him I lost my voice.
Okay.
I only got 3% on my phone.
Hello?
Hey, Billy, it's Officer Cordova with the Albuquerque Police Department. How you doing?
Good, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing good. I'm here with Cynthia. She's not having the best day.
That's what I gather.
But I don't know if it was a roommate or somebody's here to pick her up. But
I'm not riding with him.
She don't want to go with them.
I can't talk.
That's a friend of hers, I'm assuming.
That's the handicap.
She's been staying with the last few days down there.
No, it isn't.
Okay, I don't know.
He doesn't even know because he doesn't call me.
So the thing is that she might have to go to jail, and she wanted me to let you know that.
What's she going to be charged with?
She's going to be charged of trespassing at this point.
I have a ticket.
Is there somebody there?
Well, the gentleman's here to pick her up, but she don't want to go. Cynthia, you have two choices, okay? I have to take you to jail then.
No.
Then you're going to have to get in with your buddy.
I'm not getting in with him.
So I'm going to put you in handcuffs then.
No, you're not getting handcuffed.
So those are your two choices.
Sit there for a minute.
Those are your choices, Cynthia. I've done everything above and beyond to help you, and you haven't cooperated
I
with
have cooperated.
me. You've been making it difficult for me.
They tore my dress.
I've tried to help you.
They tore my dress, Billy.
Understand that she has to.
The security tore my dress. My dress fell down in front of everybody. I lost my ring. No, fuck you. Nope.
Okay, Cynthia, I'm going to put you in handcuffs now.
No.
Turn around, stand up.
I become my son.
You're either getting in that car or you're going to jail. Those are your two options.
But he doesn't know.
You called him, not me.
And I told him, never mind. I was.
It's for her to walk off property. She doesn't want to go with her buddy, but she's saying she's willing to walk.
I've got kids here. Don't get me.
Well, she can walk off property, but property goes past Marriott, so she needs to go for a bit.
I'll walk you to the end so you can just leave. Is that cool?
Yes.
Okay. 10-4. I'm going to walk her all the way to the grass and she's going to leave on foot.
Because of this shit, I just lost a good friend.
No, I'm just to your east. Before
Let's go, because we're not going to sit here.
He needs to go.
He's leaving?
Bring everybody down here, 21.
Everybody,
Let's go over here to the stairwell.
You're a liar. No, I'll go the way I want.
No, you're not, Cynthia. We're already done with that. I've been trying to be nice to you, and you haven't followed my direction.
Why can't I
I've
leave the way
tried.
I want to?
Because that's not the way out.
Well, where's the way
The
out?
stairwell right here.
Let me go. I don't need you to help me. I'm
trying, and you don't let me.
Be your mother. How would you like if your mother was?
I've done everything I can for you.
How would you like if your mother?
I wouldn't like that.
All right then. I've got sons your age. Leave the fuck alone.
I wouldn't like that.
Why you follow me?
Because I have to. I'm ordered to.
You won't let me leave without arresting me. Think I'm kidding?
Let's go down. We'll go into the grass.
I will go where the fuck I want
No,
to get
that passed a long time ago.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Listen, boy, I got a lawyer.
Keep walking, Cynthia.
You're not going to treat me like this. You saw what they did.
Please
You're
keep
just
walking.
too scared of the other cops.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not.
are. You're going to be just as bad as they are. Because they don't care. They drink and drive. They rape women. I know them all. How the hell do I get out of here?
Go straight across the grass there.
Get away from me now. My lawyer.
Go that way, Cynthia. Go straight that way.
M. Cordova?
That way,
Damn
Cynthia.
fucking sorry. You want to be a cop? You're not going to be one without a badge.
Go this way, because you're going to have to climb that wall, so go right here.
I hope you're not the If they take me to jail, I'll see you there. I'm suing the fuck out of Albuquerque. I lost my ring again, too. Yes, sir, I understand.
Cynthia, you told me
I
that.
lost my ring
You
again.
told me you wanted to go to the hospital.
I lost my ring
If
again.
you don't do that, you're going to jail right now.
I
What are
lost
you gonna
my
do?
ring. I'm getting my ring. It's in the grass.
Stand up, you can just do it while she's sitting.
I want my ring.
Put your hands on your back.
I want my ring. It's in the grass. I know. I was
Don't pull away.
We'll help you find your room.
I was an
Don't pull away.
I have chest pain because I got hit by a car. You're hurting me.
Don't pull away. Don't
Don't
pull away.
Let go of me.
Don't pull away.
Let the f go. Now.
Take your time, Martin. You got time.
You want to bring it
You're
in?
gonna just be releasing me. Why you gotta do
I'm good.
this?
All right.
You gotta prove your man. Let go of me.
Stay there. Don't pull away.
We're going to double lock these so they don't tighten up.
Oh,
on you,
because I'm
okay?
such a badass.
So where did you lose your ring?
In the grass.
Right here?
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll look for
Just
it.
calm down and we'll help you look
No,
for it, okay?
get away from me. My lawyer's on his way. You can be goddamn sorry. Let go.
Don't pull away, Cynthia.
We're going to double
Don't pull
lock
away.
these.
But can I tell you something?
Sure,
I
go ahead and talk.
Not until you let go of me. I got hit by a truck.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My stitches came open from surgery.
I'm
And
sorry
all
to
you're
hear
doing
that.
is injuring me. I'm suing you.
Don't pull away.
Let go. I'm hurt. Get out of my stuff. It's in the grass. Don't touch my stuff. You're on the phone still. Stop. Let go of my belongings.
I'm not.
Don't let go of me.
One detained at this time.
All right. Are you ready to stand for us?
No.
Okay, here we go. Up we go.
No.
You ready?
No.
Stand up. There you go. Let it go.
I want my ring right now. I want my ring.
Get in.
Have a seat.
While Cynthia's frustration about losing her ring was understandable, her overreaction and refusal to cooperate only led to her arrest. If she had calmed down and followed the officer's instructions, this situation could have been avoided. The consequences of her actions were far more serious than losing a piece of jewelry.
Have a seat, Cynthia.
Get out of here, you piece. I don't want that on. I'm too hot.
I have to have it on by state law.
Ma'am, I got my stitches. Nope, you're cutting my chest up. I can feel the blood. You hurt me.
Video. Karen at the end has some charm. Before going in, remember to subscribe to help us make more products about Karen as quickly as possible. Love, love.